Blake Lively files to dismiss Justin Baldoni's countersuit. According to documents obtained by E! News, the actress has filed a motion to dismiss Baldoni's countersuit in a New York federal court, 2 months after the director filed a $400 million defamation counterclaim against his It Ends With Us co-star, following her lawsuit accusing him of sexual harassment and retaliation. Gossip Girl alum's attorneys believe that Baldoni's vengeful and rambling complaint against their client was a significant abuse of the legal process that has no place in federal court, and cite a California law that affords protections to persons who expose charges of sexual misconduct. The lawsuit also maintains that Baldoni's allegations, which claimed Lively, her husband Ryan Reynolds, their publicist Leslie Sloan, Sloan's PR firm Vision PR, and the New York Times of civil extortion, defamation, and false light invasion of privacy should be dismissed under California's Assembly Bill 933. The 2023 amendment offers legal rights to persons who express statements provided they've done without malice. The motion says, the law prevents weaponizing defamation lawsuits like this one to retaliate against individuals who have filed legal claims or have publicly spoken out against sexual harassment and revenge. The freedom to seek legal redress and the right of the press to report on it are sacrosanct principles that are secured by many privileges, especially the litigation and fair report privileges, which are absolute. E! News has reached out to spokesmen for Baldoni and Baldoni's legal team for comment and has not yet heard back. The referenced statute was signed by Governor Gavin Newsom in response to defamation cases taken on inside the Me Too movement. If the motion is successful, Baldoni would be obliged to compensate Lively for her legal bills and any damages obtained. The petition adds, in other words, in an epic cell phone, the Wayfair parties have created extra accountability for themselves by their relentless efforts to litigate Ms. Lively into oblivion. Lively's attorneys allege Baldoni's legal team of using the case as a harsh public relations device meant to promote the Wayfair party's sinister attempt to bury and destroy Ms. Lively for coming out about sexual harassment and revenge. Following the filing, a spokesman for Lively shared in a statement to E! News, the unfortunate reality is that Ms. Lively is not alone in getting sued for defamation after speaking up about being sexually harassed at work. While Ms. Lively has suffered greatly by speaking up and pursuing legal claims, it is important for other people to know that they have protections and that there is a specific law that expressly protects them from being silenced or financially ruined by a defamation lawsuit because they had the courage to speak up. The latest update comes days after Reynolds filed because they had the fortitude to speak up. The latest update comes days after Reynolds filed an application with a New York court requesting to be withdrawn from the lawsuit. In the lawsuit acquired by E! News, Reynolds' team disputed Baldoni's defamation allegation against him.